We're down at Lexus Edgware Road protecting this Lexus UX300e. This is fully electric with a Halo Mini. The thief had this kit, it's in the vehicle. They've done a relay attack. Go to start the vehicle up. It's just not going to go to ready. As you see, they're unable to drive it away. If we try and pop it in gear, it's not going anywhere. Must be ready before you can drive. So to drive this, you'll double tap the start button, pop a unique code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You get a confirmation by the full beam and the hazards, and then foot on the brake, you can start the vehicle. Goes to ready and you can drive away. When you exit the vehicle, you get a double flash confirmation which confirms the system's back on, and next time you get in, it's just not going to start without that code. So it's active straight away on this vehicle, no need to wait. If you want to set your own code, what you'll do, hop in the vehicle, first confirm it's you so no one can just change the code. So we'll pop our code in, receive our flash. Now we'll put our foot to the floor and the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll receive a flash, and now we can set a new code. So we'll just go for, say, a window button. So we'll just go right, right, left, left. When we turn the ignition off, we get one flash confirming our new code is set. So just to double check, so you can see if we pop our old code in, we don't receive the flash, vehicle's not going to start because we've changed the code. So we'll start again, double tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash. We can start the vehicle and drive away. Say this vehicle was stolen in valet mode, or someone had the code, the system was disarmed, and they were driving the vehicle. So as you see, they turn it off. If they know the code, it's going to fire up again and they can drive away. Or if it's in service mode, it's just a normal vehicle. So they've got it. What you can do with this system is send a remote immobilisation through the tracker. So if we go into the app, go into here, cut the vehicle off, type in a password, we'll press OK. Command set successful. So now even if they've got the code or it's in service mode, when they go and try to start the vehicle, it's just not going to go to ready. So we'll try and pop the code in. So double tap, pop the code in. We don't receive the flash. Try and start. The vehicle's not going anywhere. So to get this vehicle running again, we'll go into the app, go onto the vehicle, go into control fuel, recover it with our password. Command successful. So now we should be able to turn the ignition on, do our code. The vehicle's recovered, we can start it and drive off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a fully electric UX300e protected for Halo Mini with tracking and remote immobilisation. Our number is 0208 212 7393.